Hey guys, we are back in the garage. Been here about half the day trying to actually make some room so I can walk here without falling over everything. And as you can see, the 15 is back. So I'll chuck this on the tripod now, just give you a little peek of how it is. Just half take it off to show you guys. This is her, all one colour. So it went up to, as you know, it went up to Huxley's. If you've followed me on Instagram, I post things there sometimes before I put videos out. So up in Huxley's there were a few, I don't know if you can see here on the 14, that front seat support where the bolts for your front seat is. Obviously on mine I don't need that because I've got the custom mounts, but where I removed the spot welds over, there were some holes that went straight through, so I've had Huxley weld them up just for a cleaner look. You see some of this is the residue from blasting which falls out of various places. But yeah, so that's what he done. He also, I'll show you from the front. These are welded up now. The factory loom holes, they are drilled, ready for mill spec quick detach fittings. Intercooler pipework, drilled those out for me. I'm trying to think what else. Oh, my the top of the suspension, like the strut top, one of the bolts was just spinning, took that out for me. Only tiny, small little bits he done, and then it went over. He wasn't even a day, so it went over then, and it's this zinc rich coating, so this should see me through until the next stages. So talking of the next stage, we've got these. Okay guys, so as you can see we're at the front chassis leg of the S15. I bought this kit, so it's a universal mounting kit from the same person who supplies the spit. So obviously you've got a long and a short one. These chassis legs, they only go to this portion. I'll show you the bigger one. See, it goes that far in, cuts off about on that seam there. So the long ones, these are going to be for the rear. They are universal, so you can bend these, cut them to length, whatever you want to do with them. So we are going to be using these for the front. That's the side that goes to the rotisserie. So this is the play that we've got. So we have the front ones mounted through here, and we used OEM holes there to bolt them through. This side that hole wasn't there, so I've measured, same as the other side, to match it, drilled a leg, and then we have that mounted. On the rear, I've gone ahead, obviously done the mounting brackets and these parts which go to the spit, so they're both on, bolted through there. Obviously they're down the side. So next thing, lift her up a bit more. The back is almost there, the front needs to come up a bit higher. I've never done this before, and as you can see, I'm doing it on my own. So what I found the best way is just to slowly take the shell up front to back and then just pack it. So I've got one wheel here for a bit of stability, and then a tyre. Okay, now we've got 4 wheels, 4 tyres all around. It's pretty stable. Also, I think the weight is over the rear end because I can lift the front quite comfortably. So I think I'm going to have this bit at the front. I don't really think it makes a difference what side you have the locking pin. Put it at different angles, but so right, I just need to bolt these on like I've done on the rears, and then we'll get back to attaching it to the rotisserie. Got these mounted now. As you see, this is just line the centre spindle up. This is the centre of this. Slide these in, and we are about 4-5 inches off. Mounting that, so we need to get the wheel back out, lift this up. So these, I could probably do it by hand, but to save struggling. Okay, as you can see, I've wedged some 4x2s under there, so we should be okay to lift her up now. Just going to lift this, it's light enough, hook them over these, and then fingers crossed we can centre it. Tighten her up. Yeah. Right, it's off centre. It's looking good, so let's tighten her up. So guys, come to the back of the car, and as you can see, this main section here is short. So what we need to do, obviously you've got a few options. You can weld things on here. Easiest way I can think of is to remanufacture this piece. So we have got a new length of that, and we are going to cut it a bit longer, re-drill this, and we should be fine then to get the rear end up on the spit. to be using this as a template to transfer the holes that we need to drill in our new lengthened piece. Okay, so that's where we need to drill. So I'm going to move this over to the pillar drill. Okay, I'll just do the two smaller ones now, and I'll jump ahead and show you that once it's done. So this is what we've ended up with. I'll just try and fit it back to the spit. Right, a reference point now on the sill. Let's get in there. So we have got it leveled up, and where I done that is this bar I used the iPhone measure, and you can do the degrees, so you can zero that out so you know this is level. And then on here then, well, I've took it off the thing, but it was level. So yeah, that's level. Level it to that, job done. So we can take it off the jack now, and it will be fully on the rotisserie. Alright, moment of truth. It'll either fall down the pit or it'll be alright. So we are fully supported now by the spit. Nice. Breaks off. And there she is. Okay, so all the supports are out. Just left them two tires there for now. But quick demonstration. Take the main pin out. Literally one hand. Easy. I got a lot of bolts left in the shell, which were falling off, but you know, you get the picture. But yeah, so I'm happy with that. Nice and easy to rotate. What I do, I've never done this before, hence why the video could be interesting for some people, because I haven't seen many where people have actually showed you how to mount the shell to the rotisserie. So me being me, overcautious, if it's on its side for any length of time, I just put a few tyres under there, obvious reasons, if anything was to slip. Hopefully, obviously this will save it a lot better than concrete. And that. So basically it's very, very simple to do it. So guys, I hope that helps anyone who's looking to do this to their car. This spit came off eBay. You can see them. He sells loads of different variants. The guy is aware, because I phoned him just to see what the exact profile and gauge steel that I needed to buy. So he does know, and I know someone else with one, and that was short as well. So just bear that in mind if you do get it off him. Kit's amazing, but like you've seen on the back there, the bar that it comes with is too short. So bear that in mind. If you can't or you haven't got equipment to do that, you might have to outsource it, which will obviously add on to cost. I think the spit, they're about 350 on eBay, and then you need the mounting brackets, and I think they're about 30 or 40 quid. So you're talking your £400 in, basically, and then you've got to buy steel and then fabricate the new rear piece. So something to bear in mind, but other than that, the kit's good. So as always, thanks for watching. I hope it's helped. Thanks for subscribing, and I'll catch you on the next one.